So, do you think that all the hard work from Trivandrum carrying your crate and all have been rewarded through these two knocks? And also, did last match knock had a huge impact on this knock?
Yes, sir. Hi, how are you? Doing good. So, first of all, yes, it feels really great or really relieved that I have been actually from a few years trying to do something like this for my country. So, just waiting with a lot of patience, a lot of inner work, a lot of training, a lot of practice. I think, yeah, so definitely I should be very grateful, but I kind of feel that we have one more step to go. If we do that, then I think all the work, everything was worth it. So, I feel that one more inning should be really good. And yes, I think last innings definitely played a good role in this innings as well. So I know that I was timing the ball really well. I was taking good decisions. I thought if you are in form, you should definitely contribute for your team in this game as well. So that's how I prepared for today, and things came on very nicely today.
Sanju, the last 9 months were really difficult for you. You were moved down the batting order, and then you came up again in New Zealand series, and then there was pressure on you. The runs didn't come. Initially for the World Cup, you didn't make it to the playing 11. Finally, you did get your chance. So during that really difficult time, how did you stay motivated? Because in cricket the chances don't come really that easily.
Yes, I think that was very challenging for me. I think I definitely wanted to come and do what I'm trying to do now for the country, contribute and win games in the World Cup. But I think I was trying a bit too much in the New Zealand series. I wanted to make an impact and get into the 11 of the World Cup here. But I think this format. I think this cricket can get very funny. Even the best in the world actually struggle to score runs in this format. So I think I had to respect the game. I had to come back to my basics, work a bit more from my basic. I think a lot of work did go really well. I think when hard times were coming, I think my close people, the people whom I love, whom I support, they were with me, and I closed all my windows. I shut down my phone. I was not in social media. I'm still not in social media. So less noise, less people interacting with me. So I think that really helped me to focus on the right direction, and I'm very happy how I'm going.
Sanju, congrats. You spoke about insecurities creeping in, self-doubts creeping in Kolkata. What is the difference in terms of your approach? Because there you were chasing, the target, what you had to do. Here, do you factor a lot of variables coming in? How did you approach that? And you're finally going to be playing in a T20 World Cup final. You missed out last time. Like what that means?
Yeah, it means really one of the best moments in my life is happening. So I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, I think I've been playing this format for a very long time. I played around 300 or 400 T20s. So I played from top 1 to 6. So I have captained a franchise. So I kind of have the experience of knowing what does a team demand at the moment and what is the exact role of myself in this 11. So I think that clarity definitely helps you to score runs the way you want to. And last match was all about, I think, taking the team along. I think as soon as we builded a momentum, I think wickets were falling in the last game. So I had to finish it off till the last ball. But this game was completely different. When you're batting first in Wankhede, you know that no score is enough here. So I just wanted to, after I got a start, I wanted to capitalize on as many as sixes or fours I could possibly hit for the team.
संजू पिछले 2 इनिंग्स जो आपने खेली ऑलमोस्ट 100 दोनों में मिस किए, लेकिन दिल्ली में जो पारी आपकी बड़ी छोटी सी पारी थी, आपका एक्चुअली पूरा वर्ल्ड कप दांव पे लगा हुआ था, वहाँ पर छोटा सा कैमियो खेला, उसकी कितनी इंपॉर्टेंस थी? क्योंकि आप तब भी अटैकिंग खेल रहे थे, फिर उसके बाद भी एक छोटी ही पारी रही अगले मैच में, वो भी छोटी थी. बर्डन इतने दिनों से संजू सैमसन पे जो उम्मीदों का भार 10-15 साल से चल रहा है, अब लग रहा है वो खत्म हो गया, हल्का फील कर रहा हूँ.
भाई 2 सेंचुरी मिस नहीं हुआ है, एक 97 और 89 क्या बना है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. वेरी 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 ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. सो चल रहा है भी, लाइक आपने देखा है मेरा गेम, बहुत साल से फॉलो किया होगा आपने, कि मैं अगर मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है तो आई ट्राई टू गिव अ ग्रेट स्टार्ट फॉर माई टीम. आजकल आपको पता है कि पावर प्ले में ही मैच बनता और बिगड़ता है. सो एज सुन एज यू गेट 3-4 बॉल आपने देख लिया तो फिर आप ट्राई टू अटैक ही करते हैं, जैसे अभिषेक करते आ रहे हैं इतने मैचों से, ईशान कर रहा है और मैं कर रहा हूँ. तो टॉप 3 इज ऑल अबाउट गोइंग एंड एक्सप्लोडिंग इन द पावर प्ले. तो समटाइम्स यू एक्चुअली एंड अप ऑन द negative side of the result. Sometimes you do this, actually you can't but change your character or change the game plan, because we are batting till number 8 और बैटिंग बहुत नीचे है. तो टीम की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से आप खेलने की कोशिश करो. आपका दिन है तो आप पूरा ले जाओ, नहीं तो दूसरों को सपोर्ट करो. एक और मैच फिर बहुत हल्का फील करो.
संजू आज 499 रन्स लगे पर जीत का मार्जिन सिर्फ 7 रन था. आपने जब बैटिंग से अपना काम किया उसके बाद जब कीपिंग कर रहे थे, जब वो डिफरेंट व्यू आता है और इतनी जब बीच में जेकब बेथल मार रहे थे, तो आप कैसे रीड कर रहे थे उस टाइम गेम सिचुएशन, और क्या लगा उस टाइम की गेम कहाँ स्लिप हो सकता है या स्लिप हुआ प्रॉबेबली कि मार्जिन इतना कम रहा, और थोड़ा कंडीशंस को अगर आप सम अप कर पाओ कैसी थी आज?
हाँ पता नहीं यार, T20 क्रिकेट कहीं और ही जा रहा है, मेरे को पता ही नहीं चल रहा. लेकिन आप पहले पावर प्ले में 3 विकेट गिरा तो दे वर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग टू कम हार्ड एट अस, एंड देन वी गॉट 3 विकेट्स इन द पावर प्ले. देन आई थॉट ओके यार थोड़ा गेम आ गया हमारे पास. बट द वे Bethel batted and the partnership which they had, I kind of felt here no, it's still possible. They needed 13 runs per an over. They were getting 2 boundaries every over. It was very easy for them at the middle stage. But the way our bowlers came back, I think the quality which we have in Arshdeep, in Hardik and Bumrah, तो आप जानते ही हो. I think he is a once in a generation bowler which we are very lucky to have. I think the way he bowled those 6 Yorkers in line, I think then you have kind of a confidence रहता है, नहीं यार बुमराह का एक बचा है और अर्शदीप का एक बचा है, डाल देगा. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस था. बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू द इंग्लैंड बैटर्स ऑल्सो, द वे दे केम अप, द वे दे एक्चुअली studied the condition, and I think we had a great game.
Sanju, when you were dropped today, what did you think? What was playing on your mind? Did you think that 100 is around the corner now that I have got a lifer?
Yes, मैम बहुत अनलकी रहा हूँ, मगर लक भी थोड़ा कभी कभार चल लेता है. तो I was very fortunate कि हाँ यार एक अपने पाले में भी आ गया तो ले लेते चुपचाप. So yeah, I was very fortunate, but you can't actually. बहुत पहले भी कैचेस छुड़े हैं मेरे बैटिंग में, तो मुझे पता है अगर कैचेस के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. मारने वाला बॉल था, मैंने मारा, मगर कैच छूट गया, कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार थोड़ा और तेज मार देंगे. सो यू कीप इट वेरी सिंपल. आई थिंक यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एट दैट मोमेंट. नो, बॉलर्स को काम मारना है, कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, योर माइंड इज ऑलवेज इन दैट प्रोसेस.
संजू, वेल प्लेड. आज पिच के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे आप? दोनों तरफ से मतलब आज बॉलर को बहुत पड़ी है. इतना आसान नहीं है, फिर भी आज ऑलमोस्ट 500 रन स्कोर हुए. तो क्या कहो, क्या पिच कैसा रहा फर्स्ट इनिंग में? एंड देन ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर था, बट
या ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर था. हमको पहले पता था, हम ड्रेसिंग रूम में बात कर रहे थे कि सेकेंड इनिंग्स में ड्यू आएगा नहीं आएगा. बट आया भी हो नहीं भी हो, विकेट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था टॉस से पहले. इवन कवरिंग ऑफ ग्रास था. आई थिंक इट वाज अ वेरी ट्रू विकेट. आई थिंक आफ्टर फर्स्ट ओवर ही मैंने और अभिषेक बात कर रहे थे, यार पाजी आज तो बहुत बढ़िया विकेट लग रहा है. तो अभिषेक वाज सेइंग आफ्टर द पावर प्ले कि यार 250 कम से कम लगाने चाहिए, ऐसा विकेट था. सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ हाई स्कोरिंग गेम एंड बोथ ऑफ द टीम्स प्लेड रियली वेल.
Sanju, you've had a few battles with Jofra Archer in the past. Sometimes he's got the better of you. Today, you got dropped off his bowling, but you hit some huge boundaries off him as well. Tell us a little bit about that battle and how you prepared for it and how you think it went.
Yeah, I think it was definitely playing in my mind. Last time when we played them in home conditions, 5 games we played England, I think Jofra was definitely a very effective bowler at that time. So I had to do some preparation. I had to be a bit more clear in my head how I'm going to face it, and then I think I tried to apply it today. So he's definitely a world-class bowler. You need to respect what he does, and at the same time you need to be confident as well. I think I was a bit more confident that I just played a really good innings couple of days ago, so I think I need to take that confidence forward, and that kind of helped me to tackle the bowlers today.
संजू, इतनी एफर्टलेसली सिक्सेस आप मारते हैं, तो ये इसके पीछे क्या राज है? और जुबिन भरूचा के साथ आप हर सीरीज के पहले मोस्टली काम करते हैं, टूर्नामेंट के पहले, तो वो थोड़ा बताएंगे कि कितना हेल्प होता है उससे?
हाँ डेफिनेटली बहुत हेल्प होता है, एंड बहुत काम करते रहते हैं हमारे बहुत सारे. बॉल देख के घुमाओ भी है, निकल जाता है. क्या बताऊं मैं.
Sanju, can you talk about Bethel from standing behind the wickets and the way he was looking at the situation and reading the situation, especially his contest against Warren? Even at the end, you ran up to Dubey and said something because it was a very vital last 6 balls. Can you talk about Bethel and more importantly how he was reading Warren?
how Bethel was playing
Like,
Varun.
yeah.
Okay, yeah, I think first of all, it's a bit very hard job for a spinner to bowl the sixth over in the power play where there is nothing much in the wicket and batsmen are trying to swing and they are trying to get maximum out of that in the power play. So I think credit has to go to Varun to take up that challenge and still be positive and do what he does actually. So Bethel and the quality of batters which we have in this international cricket and more than the skill level they have, I think now that fearless approach which has come in, I think the wickets like Wankhede, it gets a bit tough for the bowlers to come and do their job, but it's just a matter of getting couple of sixes less hitting. I think that's where we are trying to work on as a unit, and yeah, I think that's what I feel. It's better to be a batsman nowadays.
Sanju, you mentioned about reliance on Arshdeep and Bumrah in that 17th and 18th, but can you just give a sense about the discussions that were going on about whether to use both of them in the 17th and 19th or use them by the end of
Yeah, I think the game was going neck to neck and they were trying to actually get 13s, 15s in an over, but I think we knew that if we take the game till the end, I think they might actually get heavy on us. So I think we just wanted to finish off the game a bit earlier. So I think that's where we tried to bowl Bumrah and Arshdeep and Hardik in those 3 overs, and that I think definitely played well today.
संजू यू जस्ट सेड कि क्रिकेट इज सच ए लेवलर, कभी कभी जो टॉप बैट्समैन होते हैं वो भी फॉर्म थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है, रन स्कोरिंग डिफरेंट होता है. तो एज ए फेलो ओपनर अभिषेक इज नाउ गोइंग थ्रू द सेम फेज विच यू हैव गॉन थ्रू रिसेंटली. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसे फेज में, आई नो इट्स बिट इंडिविजुअल चॉइसेस है, लेकिन what is the most important thing for a player? Like जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने you shut down from the social media, shut down the outside noise. क्या टीम से सिक्योरिटी आपको चाहिए, या मतलब what is actually the primary requirement at this point?
I think we are taking care of all our players, to be very honest. We have a really great environment in the dressing room. Both of our leaders, Gigi Bhai and Surya, has a lot of faith and confidence in Abhishek, and we try to actually help him in the way he actually requires. I think he has definitely gone through lots of ups and downs in his career, so he's also trying to find a way out, and we all are with him. And I think it's just a matter of couple of sixes he hits in the middle, and everything can change in this format. I think we still believe in him, and we feel that I think final is going to be his day. I think I kind of feel that he's definitely going to come really great on the last day.